welcome back to the channel, friends. This is a quick unboxing video of my recent purchase, which is an SMK helmet. So this helmet is Gullwing and it is a modular helmet. So the box is like this. Here all the details of the helmet is there. So it is a Gullwing clear visor pin lock fitted helmet and the graphic name is Tourleader. So this the MRP of this helmet is 6450, and as you can see the manufacturing date is 30th of August 2023, which means it is just come out from the recent batch and it is there in my hand now. So I have ordered this from Flipkart and I've got a decent price of this helmet and it's a great deal actually, I would say. So it's a pin lock fitted helmet which is a fog resistance lens included. So let me quickly unbox this and show you the actual product. So in the box we have this helmet with a wonderful cover. The material of this cover is very good, and let me just take it out for you. Yeah, so let me keep this box aside and put the helmet here like this. So as you can see, there is an SMK branding. SMK helmet branding is there. So now the moment of truth, let me unveil this helmet, this beautiful helmet from this cover. Yeah, so 1, 2 and 3, voila. So what a wonderful helmet. Look at the graphics. The graphics are wonderful. SMK branding is here and Gullwing is the model name, and actually the graphic name is Tourleader. So they have different models in Gullwing category also. So as you can see, SMK branding is there. It is ISI and European certified helmet. The weight of this helmet is 1850 gram, which is little higher side, but it is a modular helmet. So yeah, so this is what it is. So this is a pin lock fitted visor. As you can see, there is a pin lock which prevent from fog to formation into the visor. So SMK branding is here, SMK branding is here, SMK branding is here. So these are the vents which you can easily operate. There is one vent on the hand, you can easily operate. And this is the helmet from inside. So it is having a dual visor and the mechanism is here to operate the visor. And believe me, it's very smooth. You can operate with a single finger. You do not need to do a lot of labor to operate this. Smooth. And you have this padding, very nice. So this is the visor. Let me close it and let me close the visor. Let me show you the padding from inside. As you can see, padding itself is very nice and very soft material. It is a washable material. You can easily take it out and wash it and replace it. So all details you can find online about this product. Some manual, some paperwork are there, a keychain, some stickers, user manual is there to manage the washing and all of this particular helmet. So as you can see, this is a modular helmet, so mechanism to operate this modular is very simple, which is here. So all you need to do is to pull that trigger outside and you can easily open this half portion of the chin area of the helmet easily. So it is looking very stunning. I'm really loving it. Now I'm going on a big tour. This helmet is for that purpose only. The actual review after riding on this helmet I can give you, but this is the unboxing video. So far I'm really liking it. So if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it with your friends. There is a specific reason for making this video. So when I was making this purchase, I tried to find out some informative video on YouTube, but there is only one video available about this particular helmet, Gullwing. So I thought whenever I'll buy it, I'll make a video so other can use this information before making their actual purchase. So this video is dedicated to all those who are looking forward to buy this helmet in future. So I hope this is going to be helpful for you. So thanks for watching my channel. So मिलते हैं किसी और नए सफ़र पे, किसी और मंजिल की तरफ, कुछ और नए रास्तों पे. Till then, take care, bye bye.